Hi, Dr. Adam Waddell from North River Family Chiropractic, and today what I want to do is give you some techniques that you can utilize both standing or seated to help strengthen the muscles to combat that forward head posture we've been talking about. So in our last video we talked about range of motion, going like this and then doing the side pulls that help stretch the muscles. Today we want to give you a little bit of strengthening to help alleviate that neck pain. So the first one's very, very simple. You're just going to stand straight like this, and our head's always going forward as we mentioned. What you're going to do is called a head retraction. So you're just going to move the head back like this. And you're just going to bring your chin back towards your spine like this, and you just hold it for about 2 or 3 seconds, and you can do 10 of those. Right? You want to do that once an hour. Now the second one is a little more involved, but it's rather simple. And you're going to just spell out some letters. Right? So you got a T, a W, and a Y. So the way I teach my patients to remember that is this is what you do. So first you're going to do a T. Very important, keep thumbs up here and then point back. So from the side it looks like this. And you're going to feel that. You're going to feel that right in the back of the shoulders. Right? So that's the T. The second letter is the W, which is the what. So you just bring your arms like this. Right? Again, thumbs are back. It's a different muscle group, but it's bringing everything back this way. And the last one is the Y. So you're just going straight up like this. And again from the side like that. So this is what you do. Hold each one for about 3 seconds. And you could do a round of 2 or 3. Doesn't have to be super extensive, but just a little bit to bring that posture back. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please like it. If you have a family member, a friend, or a coworker who you think could find this information valuable, tag them in the comments below. If you have a question, please let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. Just glad